Okay, Moccasins. This is where I'm talking about the first pair of moccasins that is made for a baby. Buckskin moccasins, deer hide moccasins. What they did with that first pair they made for the baby, they cut holes on the bottom of those moccasins. And the reason our Anishinaabe people did that, one of the things that they recognized is our little ones, our babies, their mind is clear. And they're able to see things that we as adults cannot see because we have so much going on in our heads, and theirs is, they are clear-headed. And our teaching as Anishinaabe is when an individual in our community passes on, the body of that deceased is kept over for 4 nights. And during those 4 nights, the spirit of that individual travels every place they had been on this earth and revisits wherever they had been. And our people were fearful that that spirit should go by where our babies are, since they can see them, that they might travel with them. By putting these holes in these moccasins, our babies tell that spirit, I have holes in my moccasins, I'm not able to travel with you. So that prevented that from happening. And also, for all of our children, as soon as someone would pass away in the community, they would put ash from the fire on their forehead. They'd have a black mark there. And that would prevent those children from traveling with that spirit and not go with them. So that was the reason for that happening. One of the things you got to remember with these teachings, somebody might say, oh, that's hogwash. I would not challenge these teachings. They have been here with generations and generations with us as a people. They have been passed down. And there's a reason for those teachings, and we have to not challenge them and take them as they are and follow them. I wouldn't risk that chance, especially when it comes to our young ones.